I've got so many models around here, and I've gone so far with them, and they all have turtlenecks. So we'll put this on in a minute, but I want to show you something about setting up this stabilizer support. What we want to do when we built this box up here and ensured our 4-degree offset or angles up here, what we were doing in essence was setting this tube up. It works very well. When you glue that phenolic in, you want to use epoxy and Cabosil, and between the S1 and the S2, we build it in there so it can't get out. Actually, we'll work that tube in and out a little bit to carry the epoxy into the plywood. What we want to do next, we're going to set this stab up. Now, whenever we do anything, it's just habit. We always level this fuse. Now, this is the flat part. That's part you build on the bench. So you want to put something underneath here to level the fuselage. And then we're going to level it the other way. We're going to level the tube. We just use a line level. We'll tape it on there. The tube that goes in the back is 22 inches. So we're trying to get an incident set, or actually we're trying to make sure that tube is level and it's also in a straight line parallel with this other tube. So we're going to tape that on, level it from the center out of this tube, from the center of this fuselage out. We're going to go 11 inches and just put a small mark on that tube with a marker. It's fine, something you can see well. Same thing over here, 11 inches out. That splits this 22 inches up. What we want to achieve here is get this thing set up before we glue it. Before we set glue it, we want to set it up. So you'll see that this has a taper on it, this stabilizer support. And of course the flat part and the 90-degree go to the bottom and to the front. The taper is up here on the top. It starts at the front of this F6. Now, on the L, I believe it is, you can, it'll slide underneath here, no problem. On this S, you want to notch it 1/4 of an inch in, and however far down you have to go to get it to fit under the lip of this F6. So we want to fit this. We'll go ahead and you want to take this phenolic that you're going to have left over from your stabilizers, or we'll give you, actually I believe we'll put a piece in the kit. Want to wall that hole out just slightly so that it's drilled like this, and we want to be able to slope it here when it has not been sized, so it fits very snug. You can't get much taper out of it, you need more than that. So we just sand on the front and the back a little bit with a round sanding block. And what we want to do is set this on here. Of course it goes down below, as you can well see. And slide this tube